My parents' love is something rare, a priceless gift beyond compare. When tears fall down from eyes of mine, they wipe them away, so warm, so kind. My mother's prayers light up my way, my father's shadow guides each day. When I fall, they lift me high. In their hearts true love I find. I ask no crown, no wealth, no fame. With my parents I have my gain.